In this video, you're going to see how to customize the lock screen in Motorola mobile phones. You can change almost everything that is going to appear on your mobile phone lock screen after watching this video. So follow the steps that I'm going to show you to avoid the confusion and errors. To do that, open the settings in your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and choose the home and lock screen option. Here, choose the lock screen option. You can see the list of options here. At the beginning of this section, you can see the customize lock screen option. Click on it. From here, tap anywhere that is highlighted to change the clock styles, shortcuts, notification style, etc. I'm not saying that you need to exactly match the things that I'm going to show here. It's your personal choice, like whichever applications you want to use with shortcuts, you can use that. I'm just here showing you the process. And even you can customize the colors and everything in this customization. And that's it, guys. This is how you can customize the lock screen on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by gadget reviews and mobile reviews on this channel.